In today's video, we'll be connecting Constant Contact to WordPress using Fuse WP. We'll start by going to Fuse WP settings. And on the settings page, we just want to scroll down until we find Constant Contact. And we're going to go ahead and click on Configure. Now here's our list of instructions that we need to follow to set up the integration properly. And we need to ensure that we perform step number 5 correctly. So we'll start by clicking on the link in step number 1 to go to the developer portal. And once we're in the portal, we can now go ahead and create a new application. So let's name our application Fuse WP. Let's keep the default authorization settings and click on create. Next, we'll edit our API key and we'll copy the client ID. We'll paste it here. Then we'll go and get our client secret. So basically we just need to generate the secret, click on generate again, copy the secret, and paste it in the field provided. Now, the final step I mentioned involves copying this URL, copy everything in bold text, then go to Constant Contact under redirect URL, click on edit and paste it. Click on confirm, then click on save in the top right hand corner. Once you've saved these settings, go back, click on save changes, go to Constant Contact again, click on configure, and then click this button to connect your account. So here you'll need to enter your login details. Once you're done, it should look like this. Click on allow access. And if we scroll down, we'll see that Constant Contact is now connected. All right, so we'll test out this integration. Let's go to user sync and we'll start by adding a new sync rule. And to begin, the source here will be user roles and we'll be targeting new registered users. We'll add a destination and our user role will be subscriber. The integration is going to be Constant Contact, of course. Next, we'll go ahead and select a list. Let's use test lists. And next we have custom fields. So by default, the first name field of our form is being mapped to Constant Contact's first name field as text. Last name is similar. You can add another field by clicking this button. Just select your data and continue your mapping. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Now let's save our settings and we'll jump right into our registration page. So I'm going to go ahead and enter some user information and then add the user. We'll wait for our success message. And once we see it, I can go ahead and head over to Constant Contact to see if that information was captured. So here I'm going to go to contacts. We'll need to find our list. So we can do that in audience, then list and segments, then test lists. And there's our contact with API as the source. Next, we'll look at a different example where we'll sync newsletter subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new sync rule. The source is going to be WP Forms, and our source item will be newsletter sign-up form. We can add a destination now, and the event will be after form submission. The integration is going to be Constant Contact, and we can use our test list again. We'll not add a tag. In custom fields, this time we'll need to map it manually. So I'm going to go ahead and map email first and then first name and finally last name. All right, so finally we can go ahead and save our changes. And once it's saved, we can now test it out. So I'm going to jump to this newsletter form and here we're using a different name and email. So I'm going to click on submit. And once again, we can go back to Constant Contact and refresh this page to see if our information was captured. So this is how you connect Constant Contact to WordPress using Fuse WP. Thanks for watching and see you next time.